Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to separate audio from a video in CapCut. Now what I'm gonna do guys, I have a bunch of videos here on my computer. I'm gonna simply go ahead and find one of them and I'm gonna simply drag that onto my timeline. Now once the video is on the timeline guys, you can see that the audio is part of the video. But how do you go about and splitting this? All you have to do is just simply do a right click on the video, and here you will find the option that says extract audio. Now once you go ahead and click on that, you will see that it separates the audio from the video. Now you can go ahead and you can move it around as you so desire. Now in case you want to extract the audio only, you can also go ahead and do so, and you don't have to go ahead and unsplit the audio from the video to do so. All you have to do is just simply export, and once you click on export, just simply go ahead and choose audio here and uncheck the video option, and this will allow you to export the audio portion of the file. So you can simply go ahead and select if you want MP3, WAV, ACC, or FLAS, and you can just select whatever you want and click on export. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.